Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix apps not showing when swiping up in home screen in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you're facing the issue that when you swipe up on your home screen, you are facing the issue that your apps are not showing up there. So let's see how can you fix the issue. You can keep a long press on empty place on your home screen and then select settings, or you can also directly go to your settings app and just select home screen from here. Now, once you are in home screen, you will see the option of home screen layout. Click on it and then select home and app screens. Once you have selected, click apply. Once it's done, now you can easily access your apps from your app drawer, from your app screen. Now, whenever you swipe up, you must see apps on your home screen. So in this way, you can easily fix if your apps are not showing you when you swipe up on your home screen in something S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.